Hello, and welcome back to another Dish of Carrie's Gardening channel. So today is March 14th, 2024, and I'm going to be doing tours of all of the greenhouses here, and you can see what we have growing and what we have going on with them. So I watered this earlier, and you can see our onions back here. These need trimmed down, so that has to get done. These are our Ranunculus seedlings from last year. They produced the corms and they came back. Some eucalyptus trees here. And my celosia back here. And right here, this is ready to be transplanted into the bedhouse greenhouse. Along with some other stuff that's ready to go. And these here are ready to be actually transplanted into larger containers. These are our snapdragons. And this is another celosia back here. And then there's another one over here. And these are our carnations. And back here are the pansies that were just transplanted not too long ago. I have a video on my channel for it. They were separated out of flats. Martha's blooming. We have the carnation back there getting ready to bloom. And that was from last year. The Spanish lavender is blooming beautifully. Some more lavender here that's blooming. These are still coming up. So lavender takes a while to germinate, but we do have some here and there. You can see there's one right here that just started coming up, so these are still germinating. And more pansies. We have our peppers and our broccoli. There's some more different stuff here. Our eggplants are up. Our tomatoes are up. I did a video on my channel for starting the tomatoes this year. And our cold season, we have cauliflower and another different type of cauliflower. Brussels sprouts. These all need planted out, or these all need separated out. What actually happened was this one here came up on the heated floor and didn't get taken out in time, so it's got a little tall and spindly, but it'll still be okay. We had somehow the watering wand got set to fan instead of mist, and it put the seeds down too deep, so I reseeded them and they all came up. So we have our cold season stuff and some more tomatoes here. So our snapdragons are coming back into bloom. And we have some of our little English daisies here. And the Ranunculus corms are coming up. These were some from last year. We left them in the containers and they came back. And the greenhouse is heated, so they were in the heated greenhouse over the winter time and they came back for us. And then there's some more Ranunculus back there coming. And I have videos on my channel for how to start the corms off, and I did some different things on Ranunculus, from seed starting to how to store the corms and save them for another year. And some more Ranunculus over here. These did the same thing. They came back on their own from last year. And this is the bedhouse greenhouse here. The other one was the second greenhouse. We had just harvested off of this a little while ago. This is our leafy greens. And this is all ready to be planted. Our tomato plant and plants are coming back. There was a bunch of cuttings that were taken off and they were put in the ground, so they're all coming back, and the main one is coming back from being cut down to give it another start. You can see they're blooming and beautiful status. The sticky traps are down in the old greenhouse because the praying mantises hatched out. So we took the sticky traps down so that they wouldn't get stuck in the traps. Look at this gorgeous status. This is beautiful. Some of this is ready to harvest. Beautiful status. And the Dusty Miller is back here. This is growing beautifully. Nice patch of Dusty Miller here. This is ready to harvest. So we do have more seeds to plant and start off. And we still have more stuff germinating on the floor in the old greenhouse. So I hope you enjoyed the mini tour of all of the greenhouses here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope yous have a nice day. Bye!